So you gonna get the new iPhone every time it come out?
And I am.
Sorry.
What you gonna do about it?
All right. Right. Good for you.
Oh, okay.
Right. Just mind your own business. Thank you. What's up, YouTube? It's your best gardener here, back again with another video, and today we have, as you can see from the title, the iPhone 13 Pro Max Sierra Blue unboxing. Now, if you are a returning supporter, thank you for supporting my channel. Make sure you like this video, and if you are new here, go ahead and press subscribe, because joining the garden will be one of the best decisions you've ever made in your life, honestly. Now, anybody that knows me knows that I love technology. I love Apple. We did a similar video, me and my cousin Mia, last year to this. If you saw it, you may or may not have saw it. I'll put it somewhere on screen now. Unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max together. Unfortunately, due to some circumstances, she could not be here with me this time to unbox it. However, I am here to unbox it because I just love Apple, and yes, as you can see from the little skit in the beginning, I am going to upgrade every year. I just have to have the latest and greatest. I just have to. There's so many features and moments that I wouldn't have been able to capture if I didn't get the latest iPhone, you know, with all of the new features. So it's just like, yeah, I need to have the latest iPhone. But without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get this box open, you guys. I'm so excited. This is like one of the best things ever. Like, getting a new phone, I'm pretty sure you guys know, like, it's just so amazing. Like, it's just so fun. It's like a new experience, like a fresh breath of fresh air. Like, I got it. While I am unboxing this, I'm going to go ahead and list to you guys 4 major new features with the new iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So first of all, the battery has gotten bigger. Yes, I know everyone, probably the #1 phone carrying feature that everyone has is their battery life. And that, you know, will allow you to have a longer time to use your phone in a day. Now, depending on the use, it depends on, you know, what type of phone user you are. If you have your brightness on full blast all the time, then you're probably not going to notice the extra hours. But if you use your iPhone, you know, in a general sense, then you probably will notice the extra battery life. The second biggest feature is huge, and it's actually the fact that since the iPhone 10, the notch has remained the same size, but now it has gotten smaller. Yes, they kind of made it like from the longer way smaller. I guess you could say that's horizontal, but it could be seen the vertical. They made it like shorter in the longer way, but you didn't hear it from me. It got a little bit wider in the up and down area-ness. Some people might care about that and some people might not. I personally don't care about it because, I mean, I'm not really gonna notice it because of the extra screen real estate that comes on the side. So that's something to keep in mind. And as I open this up, oh man, oh, it's kind of opening. As I open up the box, and here it is, I will list to you guys the other 2 features first. So the third feature is huge. It's the fact that the phone now has 120 Hertz refresh display. Now, if you guys have never, if you don't even know what that means and have never experienced that, or don't know if you experienced that before, go ahead and ask someone in your household, hey, what's 120 Hertz refresh display? Or literally do yourself a favor and go to your nearest AT&T, your nearest phone retailer store, or better yet, your nearest Apple store, and go and ask them for the new iPhone or like the new iPad that has 120 Hertz refresh rate display. It's absolutely uncomparable. It's so smooth as a screen, like, so when you're not, you know, like when you're scrolling in things, you know, your content will be smoother. That's looking at pictures, watching video, and even just scrolling on home screen. And that is a huge feature. That is like one of the things that like really made me like, okay, I really have to get the new iPhone. And the fourth and biggest feature, you guys, is definitely, of course, who could have guessed, the cameras. Now, this year, the cameras are actually getting a really, really huge upgrade. First and foremost, I want to mention cinematic mode. Let's say you have 2 subjects. You have one in the foreground and one in the background. Now, back here, it's gonna look not just your normal blurry background bokeh effect, but it's really gonna look absolutely phenomenal. Like, back here, this person is gonna be really out of focus, and up here, this person is gonna be in focus. Now, here's the huge thing about cinematic mode. If this person turns and looks at this person, the iPhone 13 Pro Max and 13 Pro and the new 13s will automatically see that you have turned around and looked at this person, and it'll switch the focus to this person back here. So you'll be blurred up here, and back here, they'll be in focus. And when you turn around, they'll be back in focus. Like, That's amazing. That's absolutely insane, and I cannot wait to demo it. That is the main feature I'm looking forward to, besides like, you know, the ultra wide camera getting more light, all the sensors being bigger together, you know, just their general camera upgrades. But cinematic mode, definitely a huge feature. But without any further ado, you guys, I've been waiting for this moment forever, and I can already see from the beginning that camera is definitely bigger. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and I'm not gonna cry this time. All right, as you guys can see on the side, I have some personal information, so I'm not gonna show over there. But on this side, we have iPhone. On the bottom, we have your traditional Apple logo. At the top, we have your traditional Apple logo, and you also have iPhone on this side. But here's the top, and let's go ahead and make sure we're all in good focus. And let's lift it up. Oh wait, this is new. Oh my. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, first of all, the camera's definitely bigger. But second, we have like this little lip up here, if I can show you guys. Oh, that kind of like detached. And if you guys notice from last year, we don't have like the plastic wrapping around the box anymore. So that's definitely a new change, and it's definitely better for the environment. Here is the phone. Let's go ahead and lift this up and put this over here. Yes, oh, don't worry, love, we'll get back to you. And we're gonna go ahead and check out the documentation now. As we all know, Apple does not include the charging brick anymore, which saves space and saves a lot of great impact on the environment, basically. And then we're gonna go ahead and take out of this. Of course, we have the steel lightning connector, which I don't mind. A lot of people want it to be USB-C, but Apple's moving towards no longer having a lightning port at all to charge your iPhone, which saves more space and it's gonna allow us to have more space for battery and whatever other things that they wanna do with it. Comment down below how you feel about them removing the lightning port in the future. Here we have some documentation that says designed by Apple in California. Go ahead and take this out. We go ahead and remove these. You see we have our SIM ejector tool, that over there. Then we have our iPhone documentation, your standard, and we have our glorious still white Apple sticker. All right, you guys, I put all of that to the side. We can go ahead and grab the iPhone. First of all, let's take a look at the back, the sides. Oh wow, it's all beautiful. If you see me shaking, don't mind that. It's definitely beautiful. And let me tell you guys something. Sierra Blue is better than Pacific Blue. I said it, I did. You're gonna be my butt? You're not. This color is elegant. It's literally the embodiment of luxury. It's giving me aqua. It's giving me wealth. It's giving me opulence. I don't understand who in your right mind would say Pacific Blue is better. No, this absolutely surpassed Pacific Blue, and that's just the truth. Now, if you guys caught my last video, if you're new here, I have to say that I cannot remove the screen protector that's already on here without having another screen protector immediately put onto the phone. It's just an OCD thing. So what are we gonna do about that? Well, if I go over here in my handy dandy chore, you're gonna see a surprise. Accessories! Okay, you guys, we are that less chaotic. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the accessories that I bought. So this first accessory is, it says matte clear case, crystal clear case, slim thin. One thing about me, I have to have a thin clear case. Like, I can't do those big bulky cases that are clear, but you know, they're protective, but I just can't do them because I just like slim and sleek. But you know, for those people who drop phones a lot, it's good for them, so they have their protection. We have our nice iPhone 13 Pro Max clear case. And this is nice, not gonna lie. Next case we have is our silicone yellow case, which is a supplement for Apple silicone case. The reason I did not get the name brand Apple case this year is because I wanted to just save some money. And you know, I'm on a mission, so we just had to save a little dollars this time. Ooh, this is real nice. So it's basically just like Apple's, we just don't have that logo right there on the back. Yeah, we have the microfiber in there just like Apple's case. We just are missing the Apple logo on the back, but it's definitely nice. Last but not least, we have our screen protector. Now, when I get screen protectors, I just like to get privacy screen protectors. It just works out best. Oh, it comes with our camera lens protectors for the iPhone. Very cool. Then we have our protector accessories. And I believe it comes with 2 screen protectors. Here's the first one. Oh, here's the second one. So if you guys see any of these accessories you like, remember they'll be in the description. And I'm gonna go ahead and install this screen protector, and I'll get back to you in a second.
One eternity later.
Oh, my glob is off. Oh, I'm gonna leave it. It's not that bad. Mommy! Daddy! I have to redo it for myself. No, I don't. Yes, I do. I have to redo it. Okay, this is much better, you guys. I got it on way better. And there's no bubbles. All right, you guys, now that I finally finished one of the most tedious, annoying, nerve-wracking processes of life ever, I can finally say that I am in love with the phone. Now this case right here is really good because the cameras actually protrude out just ever so slightly farther than the 12 Pro Max. And this little lip right here definitely keeps him from hitting the table, so this is nice. And I love this case, like it's really nice. It's giving minimalist, it's giving nice. As you guys can see, if I show you from your angle, you can see like it's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the phone for the first time together. Let's do it. All right, and here we have the, I believe, iOS 15 little hello, little introduction. Oh, everybody should upgrade. Everybody should upgrade. Everybody should upgrade. The 120 Hertz refresh display is already better. I think everybody should upgrade. Whatever iPhone you're on, I don't care, upgrade. It's actually making my eyes, am I insane? It's so smooth, you guys, like it's really smooth. Okay, you literally have to go in and see for yourself how smooth this display is. The notch isn't even that bad. I feel like we've all grown to ignore the notch. So even if it is like a little bit farther down, I can barely tell. Like it's not even that bad. Like I thought it was gonna be like boom, forehead. Like no, it's not bad. Scan my face. Scan it. I am like, this is nice. Like this is a nice upgrade. It's like nice. Whenever I set up a new iPhone, I just like to completely start over. Like I don't want all that junk from the old phone come over. I'm gonna look through all of the apps and like see what I need and what I don't need, and then just, you know, add it over.
One eternity later.
All right, you guys, I am officially fully set up with my iPhone. If you guys wondering like throughout the video why I keep looking at my watch, it's just to make sure that I'm like still in focus on the camera. But I am officially set up with my iPhone. Let me turn up the brightness for you guys. Within the first few minutes, I'm already in love. Like, oh shoot, okay, yes, I want to, no, not now. I'm already in love with the iPhone. It's literally even that much better than just from last year's 12 Pro Max. I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to go ahead right now and insert some examples of cinematic mode, some photos, and just the overall camera test in downtown Chicago.
I'm hungry. You want to go to Chick-fil-A?
You know I like McDonald's. Isn't that camera phenomenal? Yes, you guys, I did go to the future just to come back and say that camera is phenomenal. As you can see, I am so happy with my purchase. Apple always does it time and time again. It's a great upgrade, it really is. And before I end the video, there's a few points I would like to address. So first of all, with this purchase, I can finally say that when I ordered the Apple Watch Series 7 in November, or you know, the fall, whenever it does come out, I will actually have every Apple product that is offered, which is huge for me. It's just been such a growthful and blissful year, and I have nothing but gratitude, and the inner child inside of me is so happy because from a young age I've always wanted everything Apple offer, and it finally happened this year, and I can't even articulate how much that means to me. Like, wow, it's amazing. Now, the second point I wanted to address is that it's getting a little annoying and a little tired. Every year people are saying, Oh, the phone isn't even different. It looks like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Like, what did they even change? Is Apple holding something up to you right now and saying you need to upgrade? Are they in your face like, girl, if you don't upgrade, you're tired? No, nobody's forcing you to upgrade. I said this in my last unboxing of the iPhone. Apple literally makes the phones for people who have not upgraded in years to come and upgrade. Of course, in their presentation, they're gonna compare the specs to last year's model because, I mean, that's what a company would do. But you know, I mean, it's just not for everyone. If you don't wanna upgrade, you don't have to upgrade, right? And you guys, if you take a second and like peek behind the metaphorical curtain of Apple, you'll realize that they're a business and they have to keep making money. So in order for them to continue to be successful, they can't just give us all the features that we want in one iPhone. You know, they have to keep giving us features to look forward to, because if you realize, of course, I'm sure they're going to innovate, you know, like with things like the Apple Car and like a foldable phone or whatever. We may not know what they have in the future. The iPhone is getting to a point where it's like, what else is there going to be able to change? Like when they remove the notch and the charging port and it's like the best screen ever, the best cameras. Well, what else are they going to be able to do? You know what I'm saying? So it's like they have to leave features for us to look forward to and get excited. Don't y'all want to be like excited for features in the future? That's how I feel about that. And lastly, I wanted to say, should you upgrade? If you're wondering, watching this video, you think, you know, should I upgrade? I don't know if I should upgrade this year. Here's my answer. The 120 Hertz refresh display alone is enough reason for everyone to upgrade. But if you put that aside, I think that anything below the iPhone 10, without question, yes, you should upgrade. That's the original iPhone all the way up to the iPhone 8, like iPhone 7, 6, 6S Plus, all of those older iPhones, yes, upgrade this year. iPhone 10 and newer, I feel like you will notice an upgrade, certainly, especially from the iPhone 10. However, you know, if you want to wait for the notch to get completely erased, you want to wait for more battery life, if you want to wait for them to remove the charging port so we'll have more battery space, which is probably going to happen, you know, that's up to you. But that's how I feel about upgrading. If you want a new iPhone, upgrade. If you are content with your iPhone that you have now, don't upgrade. Simple as that. But you guys, that about wraps up this video. I am so filled with joy and excitement for all of the beautiful things I'm gonna create with this phone. Comment below, what phone do you have? What iPhone do you have right now? Are you gonna upgrade? When was the last time you upgraded? Let me know. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Remember, pressing the like button, that simple task, helps my video to be shown to way more people. Subscribe, joining the garden will be a great decision for you. I'll welcome you with tight, closed, warm arms. Don't forget to check out the description for all of my links and some more accessories if you did buy a new iPhone. And remember, you are the creator of your reality. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Real one.